Ease of use is very important for us. I will now guide you through the basic functions and settings that are the same on every Guardian model, and I will also show you the differences. The auto-darkening welding helmet comes assembled. However, before it can be used, shade number, sensitivity, and delay time must be adjusted to the user's personal preferences and application. The shade level is controlled by a turning knob located on the outside of the Guardian 50 and by a turn switch located on the inside of the Guardian 62 and Guardian 62F. The other two settings, the sensitivity of the ADF and the delay time, are controlled by switches located on the inside of all models. Sensitivity regulates the amount of light needed to trigger the ADF, while the delay time is the amount of time that passes until the ADF turns off after not detecting an arc any longer. Each user has to tweak these settings as needed according to the task. Additionally, there is a button to activate the grind mode. For grinding, you need quite a clear view on your workpiece, which is provided by Shade 4. In order to find the right settings, please read the user instructions carefully.